Hey DIYers, Mike Boards with the Mike Boards channel. Thank you for watching. Today we're talking toilets, and in the event that you are removing an old toilet and installing a new toilet, whether you're remodeling or the old one just doesn't work, in today's video we're going to show you the required parts and tools to get the job done. Let's get started. All right, YouTubers, in front of us now are all the parts and tools required to replace your toilet. Let's start with the far left-hand side. You have a tape measure. This tape measure is very important and is the single most important step to take when replacing a toilet. You will need to measure the distance from your wall to your Johnny bolts that secure the toilet to the floor. And if your measurement is exactly 12 inches or 1 foot, you have a standard install. You have a wide variety of toilets to choose from when it comes time to purchase new toilets. However, if you have a measurement that is shorter than 12 inches or longer than 12 inches, you have a non-standard install, which is not a bad thing. You will just need to purchase a non-standard toilet. So definitely take the few seconds to measure the distance between the wall and the Johnny bolts prior to purchasing a brand new toilet. Moving to the right is a sponge, and when it comes time to remove your toilet, you are going to shut off your water valve and then flush the toilet. After that, if there's any remaining water inside the toilet, grab your sponge and empty it into a bucket until it is completely empty. And while you do this, you are going to want to wear protective gloves. And above the gloves is just a scrap piece of towel that I cut. I am going to throw away, and you will use this to insert inside the plumbing after you remove the old toilet. And after you remove that old toilet, again, you will insert this towel inside the plumbing that your flange wraps around, and that will prevent any sewer gases coming up out of the pipe and into the room. Continuing on, you have an adjustable wrench because you will have to remove the Johnny bolts on the floor. And if you want to make the toilet lighter, you can also use this adjustable wrench to remove the bolts that secure the upper tank to the lower base or toilet seat. Again, that will make it lighter when you remove it. And that will go a long way if you have to take it down a flight of stairs. And the deep socket is a 9/16 socket that is most standard for toilets, and you will want to make sure you get a deep socket as opposed to a short socket because those Johnny bolts get pretty long. And I've got an extender just in case and my standard ratchet. In addition, I've got putty knives, and these are $1.99 at your local Ace Hardware, and these are throwaways because we are working with sewer and toilets. So we are going to use these to scrape away the old wax rings that are underneath the toilet. And I recommend either a 1.5 inch or a 3-inch putty knife, because in the event that you purchase anything larger than that, you'll have a difficult time removing the old wax ring. And above the wax ring is a 50-gallon trash bag, and I'm going to use that to put the old toilet inside the trash bag and wrap it up and tie it shut, and then carry it out of the bathroom and down the stairs and out of the house. I'm putting it inside that bag to prevent any toilet water leaking on my bedroom floor or stairs floor. That would not be good. In addition, you have a variety of wax rings, and with variety comes different prices and different warranties. Let's talk about the first one. This is the most standard, and you can purchase this at your local Home Depot, and this has a 3-year guaranteed warranty. Most people actually go with the Odie Johnny ring, which is a reinforced wax ring kit, because it has an additional gasket seal that is engineered into the wax ring that this wax ring does not have. And as far as this one, that has a 5-year warranty. And in the event that you have a recessed flange, you will want to get the Jumbo reinforced wax ring kit, which is 40% more wax, and it also comes with larger Johnny bolts. And with this Jumbo reinforced wax ring kit, you have a 10-year warranty. So after you get the toilet installed and the wax ring creates that watertight seal, you are then going to install your brand new water supply line. And what I recommend is don't use your old supply line. It's probably got a decade of life on it, and once you loosen up these screws, the inner rubber gaskets may not create that watertight seal that it's required to do. So again, buy new supply lines. And in the event that you purchase an elongated and taller toilet, you are going to want to purchase the proper length supply line. And after that, it's going to come time where you are going to end up putting those caps back on your Johnny bolts. And in the event that your Johnny bolts are too long, you will then revert to your hacksaw and cut a portion of that Johnny bolt tip off. And as you can see here, most of them have little notches in them to make it easier for cutting. Now, I am showing 2 different hacksaws because depending on the space available for you to cut will depend on which one you buy. This was $5.99 at my local Ace Hardware. We just bought this just in case. And obviously the last thing you'll need is the toilet, but I wasn't going to put this on that table. So with that said, our brand new toilet is upstairs ready to be installed, and we are going to remove the old toilet in our next YouTube project video. And in the event that you want step-by-step guidance on how to remove an old toilet, definitely click on the video scrolling above. You may find it very helpful. From here, YouTubers, we hope the video helped. Do us a favor, below the video, you'll see that thumbs up icon. Click on that, like the video, subscribe to the channel. Definitely ring your YouTube bell. That would be very helpful to us and awesome. We would really appreciate it. Thanks again for watching. We'll see you at the next video.